Students, in this year I am going to consider your numerical analysis subject as well as fluid mechanics, first two chapters. Okay, let me introduce about what about the meaning of numerical analysis. Clear? Okay, before going to these syllabus, let me consider about what is the meaning of numerical analysis, where you are going to use this numerical analysis. Okay, now see here now. Why to study numerical analysis or numerical method? Okay, why you are going to study numerical analysis? Okay, numerical methods are algorithms used for computing numeric data. Means you have to compute some algorithms to obtain what? The numerical data. For computing numerical data, they are used to provide, see, this is very important one, that is they are used to provide approximate result, isn't it? Approximate result for the problems being dealt with, and their necessity is felt when it becomes impossible or extremely difficult to solve given problems. Means if they have given some of the problem, okay, in the later section I am going to tell you about these factors. Means what are all those problems? Okay, just take this one, that is they are used to provide some of the approximate result. They are given what? Means numerical methods gives some of the approximate result for the problems being dealt with, and their necessity is felt when it becomes impossible. Means if they have given some of the methods, means that is if that becomes impossible or extremely difficult to solve those problems, in that time you are going to use what? This numerical methods. Clear? So next see here, it gives approximate solution within specific error bounds. They are saying what? They are given some result, whereas that result is approximate within specific error bounds. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ study about these factors. Okay, numerical method can be used for what? These things, that is finding the root of equation. This is what the number one, finding the root of equation, and solving ordinary differential equation as well as partial differential equation, means solving differential equations. And then third one is finding the value of integrals. Okay, you have to find out the value of the integral by using these numerical methods, and then interpolation, and then linear system of equations, and then eigenvalue problems, etc. Okay, now you already beware of these factors. You already studied about the how to obtain the solution by using ordinary differential equation as well as partial differential equation. You studied in the last year, that is ODE as well as PDE. Then why you are going to study once again here, isn't it? Okay, for that one let me clear you one thing. First factor is they are saying here finding the root of equation. Okay, finding the root of equation. Let me give you one problem, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 which is equal to 0. Clear? You can easily obtain the solution for this case, that is you already known about, directly you can factorize this one, and then you are going to get the solution, isn't it? Then why you should use this numerical methods for finding the root, isn't it? Why you are once again using root finding in this numerical method? Means see here now, if they have given you like this, that is x power of 100 minus 3 into x to the power of 90 plus 500 sin x plus e to the power of 100x plus some more factors. Okay, then there is no analytical formula for this one. Means this is what, if you do this one as a practical problem, means it will very difficult to lead such cases. To find out the root means it's very difficult to do the practical one. For that case you are going to use this numerical method. Within the less time you will get the solution for this equation. Okay, for that purpose you are going to use this numerical analysis. Okay, then once again they are saying what? Integration, finding the value of the integral. If they have given you the simple integral factor, that is integration from a to b x into sin x dx, isn't it? If they have given this factor, means you know how can you solve this one. This is very simple, isn't it? You can easily find out by some of the analytic method or direct method, anything you may get. But what happens when the complicated one are given, that is integration from a to b x into sin hyperbolic x into e power of root x divided by log of 1 plus x square cosecant x into log x into dx, or some more factors are there. For that purpose, you are going to use this numerical method. Okay, that means by using numerical method, you are going to find out the value of the integral. Clear? Similarly, solving the ordinary differential equations and partial differential equation. For the simple cases, you know that dy by dx which is equal to y. You know how to find out this differential equation. But if they have given you some more factors, means it is very critical, means then that time you are going to use these numerical methods. In the later cases, let me clear those confusions regarding these cases. Just make the introduction about these numerical methods, means why you are going to introduce these numerical methods to study. Clear? You already studied about what is the ordinary differential equation as well as partial differential equation, but you are going to consider here the numerical methods to solve once again those factors, that is solving ODE as well as PDE. While choosing these cases, let me clear all of your doubts. Okay. Next they are saying what? The system of linear system of equations. For that case, if you choose here, see here now, a into x which is equal to b, means here x is unknown, then a acts as sum of the matrix. Okay, a is matrix, then b is some constant vectors. Means you already studied in your degree, that is BSc, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1 into x1, x2, x3, means how to solve the linear system of equations which is equal to sum of the vectors 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is you know by simple method, direct methods, isn't it? But why you are going to introduce in numerical analysis, in numerical method, means if they have given you 3 cross 3 matrix, means you can do here. Okay, by simple way. Then if they have given you 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5, 6 cross 6, okay, if they are increases your order, means it's very difficult to do the practical one. Okay, for that case, if they are given 100 cross 100 one, that is, see here now, the system of equation is a into x which is equal to b. If a has of order 100 cross 100 or 2000 cross 2000, it's very difficult to solve in a practical way. So for that purpose, you are going to use the numerical method. We get the accurate solution. Nodi, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು accurate solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ error ಒಂದು small amount exist ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But when compared to this direct method, means these 3 cross 3 means you are going to consider some direct method and get the solution. So, but in this case, you have to choose these numerical methods because you will get the accurate solution within less time. Okay, less period of time you will get the approximate solution. Later you can alter the error. Means you have the sum of the formulas to reduce that error, means convergence of the error. So that for that one you are going to consider these numerical methods. Clear? And also similarly for eigenvalues, interpolation and everything. Eigenvalue means a into x which is equal to lambda x. If this case, if a is once again the larger matrix, then it's very difficult to solve in a direct way. Therefore you are going to choose here numerical method. Clear? Now see these concepts. If they have given some of the problems, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು in the form of quadratic equation or root, how to obtain those equation of, that is the polynomial x to the power of n, like that. And then if the problem is defined in terms of ordinary differential equation as well as partial differential equation, means you can clearly categorize those factors, and those factors are related to this mathematical model. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ is basically depend upon this choice of the method. Means if they have given you, that is, if they have given you some of the problem, then you have to choose that mathematical model. After that one, you have to choose the method. Means you will get, if you solve the ordinary differential equation, or else for example PDE, means you will get plenty of methods. Okay, in these plenty of methods, you have to select any one of those methods. In those methods, you have to get the minimum error. Okay, you have to choose that method like this one. Okay, after these four, if they have the solution, means 1 2 3 4 methods is there, then you have to select one method where the minimum error occurred. Okay, this is how you will get the solution. Therefore, choice of the method is very important one. Okay, and also you beware of your C programming language. In the similar case, by using those C language, you further find out the solution of numerical methods by using those programs. Clear? Firstly, you have to consider these factors, and in the general case, ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ಗೆ ರೀರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡೇಟ್. Means by knowing if they have given you some problem, means first you have to check out whether your program is right or wrong. Okay, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ ಥರ, ಒಂದು ನೋನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಅವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್, ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ execution of that program, then finally you have to validate this factor. Okay, this is about the basic introduction about your numerical method. Then they are also given here, see here now, development of numerical algorithm. This is what is a very important one. Algorithms means in the practical section you know about what is the algorithm, flow chart, everything. Okay, firstly you have to pick up one algorithm for each of the cases, means each of the methods. Then the result must be accuracy, very important. Accuracy is very much important in your methods. Okay, which one, where you have to consider error occur ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎರರ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್. Let me tell you about some stable and unstable cases. What happens means stable. Stable means some of the numerical method, means if you are finding differential equation, means any method is there. Okay, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಒಬೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ x acts as input whereas y acts as output. In case of x acts as an input means if you choose the x with small increment, okay, delta x acts as a small increment, x plus delta x. After this the formulation, that is numerical method, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, after this one the output must be becomes y plus delta y, where small increment with delta y, then this is called as stable. Okay, what is the meaning of unstable? If you choose the x plus small increment delta x, after this stable cases you will get y plus 1000 into delta y. Here the multiplier of 1000 acts as a very large, means error occurration got more. Therefore this is acts as your unstable one. Okay, this is what the difference between stable and then unstable. Okay, in the next video, let me tell you about what is the meaning of approximation, chopping, rounding, and then error and some of the application. Okay, thank you.